Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving few of the piecewise function problems. As we already covered the piecewise function in the last videos, so in this video, we'll be just following up on those functions and doing some problems regarding that topic. So the first problem we have is to draw the graph for this function of g of x where x square is defined if x is less than 0 and under root of x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So let's draw a graph. We know the values less than 0 will be on the left of the y-axis. So x square, we know the shape of the quadratic equation is a parabola, and now this root of x of root of x is 1, root of 2 is 1.4, root of 3 is 1.73, root of 4 is 2. So the graph will be something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can draw it like this. So this was a basic problem where we had x square on the left and root x on the right side. Let's solve another problem. Let's try and solve another complex question. The problem says x plus 3 and x minus 2 whole squared, where x is less than 1 and x is greater than equals to 1. So let's focus on this part of the function first. Here is our x and y axis. So before 1, that means 0.5, 0, minus 1, minus 2, everything that is on the left side of 1, right? So the y-intercept is 3, 3. So it will start from 4 and it will go like this, intersecting the x-axis at minus 3, x plus 3. This is the equation of this line. And for the graph on the right side of 1 will follow this equation of x minus 2 whole squared. We'll start from here. We'll do like this. And as you remember from the last videos, this point, that is 1, 1, is in x minus 2 whole squared equation. This doesn't come in the x plus 3 equation because we have the condition here which says x is less than 1, and here it includes 1, greater than or equal to 1. So that is why this point is included in this curve rather than this curve. So this is the combined graph for these two sub functions that we have g of x. I hope this question is okay. You understand this question, and the graph is 0 at 2. Now let's do another problem with 3 sub functions in it. G of x is equal to x square 3 and x is less than 1 equal to 1, x is greater than 1 less than equal to 2, x is greater than 2. So here we will have values less than or equal to 1, like 0, 0.5, also can have 1 because there is a sign of equal also in this condition. So let's draw the graph for this one first. When x is less than 1, here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, 0. So the graph is starting from here 1, 1. It follows this pattern here. Squared. Now remember, we have an equality sign here, so we will put a dot here. Now let's go to the second. The second is g of x equals to 3. This is a simple line, single line parallel to x-axis starting at 3. G of x, this is g of x. So where the g of x is 3, here, 2 is here, 1 is here. We're gonna draw a straight line starting from 1 till 2. And notice here we have equality condition here, so we will put a dot here. If there was not an equality condition here, we would have marked a circle instead of this dot at this point. Now let's look at the third sub equation where y equals to x or g of x equals to x. Here whatever value x will have, similar value y will have or g of x will have. So here we want values greater than 2 to be in this equation. So it will start from 2. That means y will also be 2. From here it will go up at a slope of 1. Here we will put a circle saying that this is not in g of x equals to x equation. I hope this function with 3 sub functions is clear for you guys. Thank you for watching the video.